Hello everyone, I am Gurvinder Kaur, and in this video we are going to practice solving quadratic equations using completing the square method. Completing the square method is one of the another methods of solving the quadratic equations. So here we have a monic quadratic polynomial which is x square plus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. So here first we'll make the perfect square. So for that, we'll take x plus half of 10, which is 5, and close the bracket square. So it is x plus 5 whole square plus 21 as it is, and minus the square of this 5, which is 25. We'll write in the next step. So it becomes x plus 5 whole square plus 21 minus 25 is equal to 0. So x plus 5 whole square minus 4 is equal to 0. We can rewrite this equation as x plus 5 whole square is equal to 4. And here we'll do the square root on both sides. So it's x plus 5 is equal to plus minus square root of 4. Whenever we do the square root, we always have to take plus and minus both. So x plus 5 is equal to plus 2 and minus 2 because square root of 4 is 2. So we can rewrite this equation as x plus 5 is equal to 2, which is the first equation, and x plus 5 is equal to minus 2, which is another equation. So it becomes x is equal to 2 minus 5, which is x is equal to negative 3. And here we get x plus 5 is equal to negative 2, which is already given equation. So it becomes x equal to negative 2, negative 5, which is x equals to negative 7. So therefore, x equals to minus 3 and x equals to minus 7 are two solutions of this quadratic equation. Now we have another example, that is non-monic polynomial, which is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. In completing the square method, whenever we have a non-monic polynomial, we have to make it monic by removing the coefficient of x square. So we can remove it by dividing this whole term, this whole equation actually, by the coefficient of x square, that is 2. So it becomes x square minus 5 over 2x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Again, we'll do the completing square method. So x minus half of 5 over 2, which is 5 over 4 whole square plus 3 over 2 and minus square of 5 over 4, which is 5 over 4 whole square is equal to 0, like this. So it becomes x minus 5 over 4 whole square plus 3 by 2 minus square of 5 is 25, square of 4 is 16 is equal to 0. And x minus 5 over 4 whole square. Now we have to solve this. So to solve the fractions, we have to make a common denominator. So obviously the common denominator among 2 and 16 is 16 only. So this fraction needs to be multiplied by 8, both numerator and denominator. So 8 times 3 will become 24. Minus 25 over 16 will remain as it is. So it becomes x minus 5 over 4 whole square. This is minus 1 over 16 is equal to 0, which can be rewritten as x minus 5 over 4 whole square is equal to 1 over 16. Again, taking square root on both sides. So it's x minus 5 over 4 is equal to plus minus square root of 1 over 16. So it is x minus 5 over 4 is equal to plus 1 over 4 and minus 1 over 4. Again, we'll get the two equations. X minus 5 over 4 is equal to 1 over 4, or x minus 5 over 4 is equal to negative 1 over 4. This becomes x is equal to positive 5 over 4 plus 1 over 4, which can be simplified as x is equal to 6 over 4 and reduced form is 3 over 2. And here we get x is equal to positive 5 over 4 minus 1 over 4 is equal to it is 4 over 4, which can be reduced as just 1. So hence, here we get two equations or two values of x, that is x equal to 3 by 2 and x is equal to 1, which are the two solutions of this equation. And here we have some practice question which you can try. And if there is any doubt, you can type in chat. So hope you all understand. Thank you.